Insta famous couple Ling and Lam, famous for their content across the globe, recently were here in Jamaica for the first time to explore and also to shoot a music video alongside Zaga Zaw, the king of dancehall, Beenie Man. They join us now from Foreign. Hi, folks. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Why I feel like another tune is in the works. I saw y'all vibing. Turn up the track a little bit, guys. I saw y'all vibing to the track like, okay, we can build some lyrics. You guys are not joking. You are so cute together. Let's get a little bit about your history. Ling, I'm going to defer to you first because you're a woman and, you know, sorry, Lam, no hard feelings. How did you guys meet and how did you get this social media following? Millions and millions and millions of people, billions of views. That's incredible.
It's so crazy. We're just really blessed and we're so thankful.
Yeah.
Thank you for having us on today. But basically how we met was, funny enough, on the set of Lam's first music video in America. He asked me to be his lead girl in his video.
And the rest is history. Oh, you guys.
Exactly. And now we're here on social media doing all the things.
And your content covers what? Is it love? Is it a little bit of everything?
Yeah, so exactly. It's love, it's relationships, it's pranks, it's lifestyle, it's food. If his hat is back, you know your food is phenomenal. So it's all the things, yeah.
Wow. So were you surprised at the kind of meteoric rise of your page and how people loved your content?
Yeah, I mean, you know, it literally started because Lam had me try a dish from back home in Nigeria, and I tried it. We posted it. It was our first time on TikTok, our first video, posted it, went to bed, woke up, and it went viral. And we were like, oh my God, people like this.
Surprise. So look, we're talking about 107 million likes on TikTok. YouTube is generating more than 700,000 views this is crazy, per day. And over 1 billion views since you started creating content at the end of 2020. What?
Yes, exactly.
It's a big blessing, you know. It's a big blessing to just see that what we do, we call it experiential content because we are just documenting the cultural shock, our experience, and just life in general. So it's a blessing to see that millions and billions of people can relate, you know, to our true life story and our experience.
And isn't it lovely, Lam, that your leading lady, you know, has turned out to be your life partner and that you guys are doing so well in this authentic space? It means you definitely have like authentic magic, which is fantastic. Yeah.
He's been fantastic. And guess what? From when I saw a picture, I told my friends that were around me, I said, this is my wife. And they all started laughing at me. They laughed. They were like, what do you mean your wife? You mean girlfriend? I said, no. I said, this is my wife. And
this is now your wife.
We are still shooting the video.
Well, speaking of videos, Lam, you reached out to Beenie Man to do a remix of a song. Very bold move. I mean, as an artist yourself, but I mean, Nigerian, right? You were born there. Obviously a big fan of dancehall music.
Yes.
Big fan of Beenie Man.
I've listened to Beenie Man like all my life. And I have a principle, which is just try it. You know, what is the worst that can happen? Maybe they will say no. You know, so I woke up, you know, I released the original song last year and we've been promoting it. People love it from all over the world. And I just kept saying to myself, I need a remix. And Beenie Man really came to my mind. I don't know anybody that knows him. I don't know anything. So I went on his Instagram page. I looked at the management and I sent a message to the management. And I kept following up and I was praying. I said, the worst that can happen is they will say no.
But you would have tried. Yes.
I would rather try than assume they will say no. So finally, the manager, his name is called Blue.
Yes.
Blue really picked up and said, hey, no promises, but I will make sure I play this song to Beenie Man. If he likes it, he will do it.
Turns out he liked it. Right? And so you guys were here recently all over our beautiful island shooting. You were at Chukka, you were at Pier 1, you were rafting. It must have been a fantastic experience. You enjoyed yourselves?
Oh my gosh, it was so much fun.
I wish we brought back jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken. Guy, you're in the US, you can get jerk chicken. Go to Golden Cross Caribbean Bakery. Free plug there.
Yes, we can. We've been eating jerk chicken in America, but
yes, it's not the same. Yes, correct. Okay, they're giving me the wrap because we have to go to news. People want to see the video, so we're searching for Country Blessings, right? That's the name of it, ironically. And people who want to find your page, we're going to where? In socials.
So our page is Ling and Lamb, just the same way it's spelled, LINGAND.
LAMB.
God,
Yes.
Lamb couldn't remember how to spell it. Ling had to finish it. You know, this is gentlemen, this is why you need a good woman in your life. Thank you so much, guys. What a joy to meet you. Thank you for being here with us
Thank you
this
so much.
morning.
Thank you for having us.
Oh, good to have you.
Guys. God bless Jamaica.
Yes, thank you so much. Content creators Ling and Lamb this morning, putting a smile on our faces and taking us into news, which might probably wipe it off, but let's savor this moment.